becoming an online app tester. If you're someone who loves using apps and wants to earn some extra money, becoming an online app tester might be the perfect job for you. With the rise in popularity of mobile apps, companies are constantly looking for people to test their apps before they are released to the public. In this guide, we will explore how you can get paid to test apps and provide you with valuable tips to succeed in this field. To start your journey as an online app tester, you will need a few essential tools. This is important because app developers want to ensure that their apps work seamlessly on different devices. Additionally, you will need a reliable internet connection to download and test the apps. Lastly, it's beneficial to have a computer or laptop to provide detailed feedback and communicate with the app development team. Once you have the necessary tools, the next step is to find online app testing platforms or companies that hire app testers. There are several websites and platforms that connect app developers with testers. Some popular platforms include UserTesting, Testbirds, and Udist. These platforms offer a wide range of app testing opportunities and allow you to earn money by providing your feedback. To get started, you will typically need to create an account on these platforms and complete a profile. The profile may include information about your devices, areas of interest, and previous testing experience. It's important to provide accurate information to increase your chances of being selected for app testing projects. Once you have set up your profile, you will start receiving app testing opportunities. Some projects may require you to test an app for a few minutes, while others may involve testing multiple apps over a longer period. When testing an app, it's crucial to pay attention to various aspects such as functionality, usability, and overall user experience. Developers are particularly interested in identifying any bugs, glitches, or crashes that may occur during app usage. Therefore, it's important to thoroughly test the app and provide detailed feedback on any issues you encounter. In addition to testing the app itself, you may also be asked to provide feedback on the app's design, user interface, and overall appeal. Your input can help app developers refine their product and make it more appealing to users. As an app tester, it's essential to communicate effectively with the app development team. Clear and concise communication can greatly enhance your reputation as a reliable and valuable tester. In terms of compensation, app testers can earn money either on a per-project basis or by receiving a fixed hourly rate. The exact amount you can earn will depend on the platform you're working with and the complexity of the testing projects. Some platforms also offer bonuses or rewards for exceptional performance or completing a certain number of projects. Overall, getting paid to test apps is a great way to earn some extra money while doing something you enjoy. By following the steps outlined in this guide and consistently providing valuable feedback, you can establish yourself as a successful online app tester. So why not turn your love for apps into a lucrative side gig? Start exploring app testing opportunities today and get paid for your valuable expertise.